But we lost the Scarborough Shoal. Ang Scarborough Shoal was lost because of the past administration. Trillanes made 16 trips to China the last time after we lost the Scarborough Shoal. Yan ang siya yung shuttle Britain. Kaya ako nag-neutral, so I made friends with China, but I never abandoned a relationship with America. Wala naman akong sinabing masakit sa kanila. Pero yung the Filipinos must realize na ang Amerikano nandito not because they want to defend us. Ito yung battleground nila. So nandito sila, instead of fighting it out in the state of California, they would rather do it here in the Philippines. Kung may battleground man tayo. Yung historically, kung hindi sila napunta rito at yung World War II nadali tayo, it's just because nandito sila. Ikaw nandito, yung ibang countries na wala sila, hindi man ginalaw ng Hapon. At kasi nandito tayo, so we suffered, water under the bridge. But gano'n na nga. Subjugation. And then another worse, the subjugation of Spain for 400 years sa ating bayan. We were in our land, our forefathers were really treated as second-class citizens, if not as slaves. Kaya matagal naman yan. At hindi sabihin mo, time can erase those. Ang ano ko lang, siguro yung lolo ko, o tatay ng lolo ko noon, how they must have suffered the foreign subjugation. Kaya neutral tayo. China, I make friends of China. Hindi naman ako talaga, they offered to help. If the aid is coming, good. If not, okay lang rin sa akin. Because we do not make friends in anticipation of what they can give to us. That is that's stupid. We make friends because we just like to be friends. Now, if your friend is kind to you, then be thankful. Gaya na ng pag-umpisa nitong contagion, wala talaga tayong bakuna. The other nations we reach and who had reached the apex of their technology, sila ang unang nakapagbakuna. China was the first also. China now is a great nation and it can compare any learning institution in anywhere in the world. Sabi nga nila, yung Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, sabi ng napunta doon sa China, they can compare in parity. Parity is tabla na. So, tinulungan tayo. The first bakuna natin galing sa kanila. Kung hindi ba naman kaibigan yan. The West Philippine Sea, they are there not because they say that they want to add to their territory. The other because they say that it's theirs under claim of ownership. We also claim it. But we lost the Scarborough Shoal. Ang Scarborough Shoal was lost because of the past administration. Trillanes made 16 trips to China the last time after we lost the Scarborough Show. Yan ang siya yung shuttle dito. Sila yung nag-usap, si the late President Aquino, si Quisha, ito si Albert. Si Quisha naman, bombastic and fumigated against me. Bakit ko daw hindi gago itong ulol na to? Punta ka daw, mangisda ka saan? Hindi lang basta butit na nga, may delineation na nga. No? They allow the Filipinos. They want itong Quisha, punta ka doon, kunin mo yung akala niya ganun kadali ang desoying ito. Kaya gusto ko siyang paunahin, bigyan ko siya ng uniforme, pati baril, tignan ko kung saan yung your neo-Filipinos. You do not even look a Filipino, shut up. So, itong partido natin stands for really the people. What is our program? We will correct. Wag na tayo magsagi housing. I will not promise kung ako, if I run as Vice President, which you want me to do so, maybe I will. But wag na tayo mag-promise ng mga pabahay lahat. We just address the present agony and sorrow of the Filipino. Kung if they are ordered to go out of the land and their houses are destroyed because they are occupying it illegally, then dyan tayo papasok. We promise, wala akong, what should make PDP proud? I said, I will go for free education. It's a promise ko sa kampanya yan. And I did. Sabi ko, hospital, libre na. Andyan yung malasakit. Go. Senator ko, nandyan na. I promise you peace and order, law. Hindi mo makontrol ang kriminal eh. Nakalasi-klase ang kriminal sa gutom, sa hirap, o talagang gusto niya maging kriminal talaga. It's being curtailed. Sabi ko sa droga. Sabi ko corruption. Nakita mo naman ninyo. Kayo kasama ko sa gobyerno. You would know. Alam ninyo na basta isang pagkakamali lang. Lalo na sabi ko na permits. Basta regulatory, yan ang pera. Bantay kayo dyan. The less regulation that we can impose upon the people, the better. Many regulations, many signatures needed, and the opportunity for corruption is there. Itong dito sa Manila, I am just taking my time, but pag hindi ako na dito sa Manila, at least nandito si chairman ng MMDA, siya na ang bahala dyan na itong permit, business permit is a very simple thing. The government buys so many computers, more than they can even handle it in their offices. Others buy it because of may mga cut sila dyan. So, baski na sobra-sobra na. And the computer is fast. But the employees are ever so slow. Why? Ayan, pagka-permit, it can be processed in 2 days. Bakit buwanan? Because doon sa ng maraming table na dadaanan, each table, upuan niya yan hanggang magkaalmoranas ang mga putang ina. Tapos upo dito, upo doon. It takes time. Then, para madali, yan ang balita ko, thousands para, oh my God. Pareho man tayo, Davao. Sino bang hindi napunta ng Davao? Davao is really a beautiful city. It's a big city. It's a sprawling city, actually. Kung sa gabi makita mo, because it's all sodium. Nung mayor ako, sabi ko sodium because the orange light looks very beautiful at night. Landing ka ng gabi, you could see endless. Ganon ang Davao. Maganda sa marami ng mayaman. Because it is a frontier land. Maraming opportunities for business. So, ganon. Panahon ko, 2 days, 3 days. Sabi ko, pagdating ng 3 days, dapat ang gawain ng mayor is 3 days after, may black book, then wag mo nang ibigay doon sa nag-apply ng permit. After 3 days, you exceeded the number of days given you, you give the permit to me with an explanation bakit inabot ka ng 3 araw. If you cannot explain that, Davao City is huge, the biggest city in the Philippines. I can assign you sa boundary ng Davao Agusan, boundary ng Davao Bukidnon, boundary ng Davao del Norte, boundary ng Davao del Sur. Merong mga opisina doon. Doon ka. Mas productive ka doon kung maglinis ka ng baril sa mga NPA. Yan ang iyong ganon, oh.